What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're checking out Paul David's brand new guitar course called Loop School. He just launched Loop School a few days ago, and I'm a huge Paul David's fan, so I literally got it the night that he put it out. Loop School is basically a set of 8 loops that Paul David wrote out with tabs, and he has a video which accompanies those tabs where he plays through it once, and then he goes through each loop, and I think they average like 14 loops per song, and he goes through each one, talks about it. He shows you how to adjust the volume and the pickup selectors, how to make it a nice flowing, not too muddy loop. Now they go from 1 to 8, so the first one's easiest, the 8th one is the hardest, and then get progressively harder as you go along. The first one is just a guitar. Second one he adds in there's a distortion pedal, and he shows you how to do all that, how to even add in another instrument, so you're looping with 2 different instruments. Now the layout of Loop School is really cool. The logo is an infinite symbol, so he basically starts on one side and it goes around the infinite symbol as you go. So like number 1's right here, and then it goes around the infinite symbol up to number 8. And then around it there are like 3 or 4 challenges, and then up top there are 4 stars with 4 learn videos. Now besides the 8 loops, there's also a learn section and 3 challenges. Now the challenges are pretty cool because they are a bunch of different things he wrote out to help you progress with your playing. One of them is like he gives you just a bar, and you have to build your own loop off of that bar instead of just copying the tabs that he has written out. Now, there are 2 others there, which are also really cool. Then there's a Learn section. The Learn section has a collection of 4 videos where he shows you how to set up your looper pedal in line with other pedals, in line with different amps, different speakers, how to set up with different instruments, and then other things about looping itself and setting up your amp tone and volume and pickup selection. Now, what I don't like about Loop School, I think it is really fun, a really great idea, and I think what Paul David did here is really clever and really fun. But I think he missed out on a couple things, okay? I think he could have added some more explanation in the loops. Now, I know there is the Learn section, but there is a thing that says, like, start here. So I just pressed on that one, I started there, I started doing the first loop, and he started explaining some things, and I'm like, okay, I kind of missed that, and I have to try to figure out what this is. So there are a couple spots where I just am a little confused about what's supposed to go on, and I found that out with some of his other guitar courses too. I also have gotten Next Level Playing. There are a couple spots where it's just a little hard to figure out exactly what he wants you to learn. Now he gives you the tabs and all of that to do, but like sometimes I'll miss the point of the lesson. I feel like it also happens a tiny little bit in this guitar course. That's one thing I do not like. Now I feel like Paul David could have went into a little bit more detail with the Learn section. I feel like it lacks a little bit, and he could have explained some more things in those 4 videos, maybe even out of the 5th video about other things. But other than that, I think this is a really cool guitar course, and if you're looking to get into looping, this is perfect for you. Even if you already know how to loop and you just want to learn some fun things from Paul, or if you're just a fan of Paul David's, I would recommend getting this course. For someone who's a fan of Paul David's, I would give this a 4.5 stars, and for someone who's just looking to just start learning about looping, I would give this about a 4 stars. So, I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you did, please maybe like it and subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions, and I'll catch you all on the flip. Thanks so much for watching, and have a nice day.